You know, as we were walking through these last few years of COVID-19, one of the things that would be a recurring theme that people would say is follow the science. But it seemed like everybody's science was different. You know, not only do we have the scriptures that confirm to us the fact that the child created in the womb is in the image of God, science confirms to us. Let's follow the science when it comes to it. Because when a man's sperm hits a woman's egg, there becomes this new one-cell organism called a zygote. And from the very beginning of this one-cell organism, everything that's needed for every stage of human development is there. The 46 chromosomes, 23 from the man, 23 from the woman, that have come together to make a one unique individual who has their own genetic code. And in that code, it will be things such as the swirl of their fingerprint. It will be the color, their tone, their eye color, their skin tone. Everything for every stage of human development is there. And from this one cell organism, within 24 to 30 hours, it will split and become 2 cells. Then it'll become 3. And then it'll multiply by 2s from there. But everything is needed until it becomes a 100 trillion cell adult. We hear the thing where people say, oh, it's just a clump of cells, but so am I. I'm 100 trillion clump of cells. But life doesn't matter on the number of cells. It matters in the fact that this is a human being who is developing into everything that God would create and have for them to be. Everything needed for every stage of development is there. From the zygote to the embryo, to the fetus, to the newborn, to the infant, to the child, to the preteen, to the teenager, to the adult, to the senior. Everything that's needed is there at that moment of fertilization. There was an English pastor who went on to be with the Lord, John Stott, who said that the preborn baby is growing into the fullness of the humanity that they already possess.